Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to set prices on Amazon Seller. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Amazon Seller website right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. If you have not already, go ahead and open it up, and once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So this is the home page from where we can get started. Now we can go and get started. Here in the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. If you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and get started signing up for one. And if you have one, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page and a dashboard that looks something like this, where you can go ahead and access all your info, such as your catalog, your history, your orders, and so on, everything that you need. And now we can get started. So basically, how do you go ahead and set up prices for your Amazon Seller store? It's very easy. As you can see here, we have the official Amazon Seller Central with the help page on how do you manage pricing. Basically guys, we are going to go and be opening up the manage inventory option and the page that indicates product prices. From there, we are going to go and be able to manage our product prices. So if you cannot see something that says like catalog, then it's going to go and say product or store, something like that. You want to go ahead and open up your products and your inventory to be able to manage them from there. There you're going to go and be able to select every product that you want to change the prices for. So find the product and get started setting up the prices that you wish for them and setting your unique prices for your Amazon Seller store. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.